lovely people. How y'all doing? Wanted to come in here and do this on camera instead of doing it off camera. This hair gonna get big. I shouldn't even have done this. So what unit is this? Let me find the start card for this. Here it is. Oops. So before I get into all that, how y'all doing? How y'all been? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time landing here, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on my next upload. Welcome back, and welcome to all my new subscribers. And yeah, so let's get into this beauty here. Of course, it's Outre. Outre, whoever you want to call her. So this is the deluxe wide lace part 2x5, and she has a frontal effect hairline, HD transparent lace, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. And I have it in the style FABIOLA. I hope I'm saying that right, FABIOLA. And I have her in the color DR2/golden amber. There she is up close right there. And that's the inside of that star card. There she goes, slaying. So, I was about to say this is straight out the pack, but it's not straight out the pack because I cut the lace already. And I sprayed some Ebon Tint Spray in the medium brown shade. And yeah, so I cut the lace with the, I only had scissors in here. It's some sewing scissors that are zigzag that you used to cut fabric with. So yeah, it's good to cut the lace with. It's effortless. So yeah, so this hair, I can't even remember. I know the name of the unit. It reminds me of D. I want to say D is by Zuri Sis, I believe. This reminds me of D. But I wanted to put some mousse on this, but if I put some mousse on this, it's going to like poof all the way up. See, I should have left this alone. But the hair, the pattern in the hair is very cute. It's very cute. But this the side that I haven't touched, and that's what it looked like. I haven't touched that side. So she has two combs in the front, comb in the back, and that elastic wide band for you to so it can sit flush on your head. And there's no moving or anything like that. You don't have to glue her down. You don't, because this hair is not moving. So yeah, so let me know what y'all think of her. I'm like tempted to like run my fingers through it, but I don't want this hair to get all big and puffy on me, because what's going to end up happening, I'll probably wear this hair flatted all out. That's what's going to end up happening, because this hair is thick. You're going to be hot. So yeah, so I'm going to run my fingers through that so I won't be looking all crazy when I take my pictures and stuff. So what do y'all think of FABIOLA? Yeah, FABIOLA. If you here for that big hair, here you go, boo. Here you go. This is cute. Let me show you what it is, what it look like in the back. That's the hair in the back. Not too long, it's just thick. So yeah, she cute. I would recommend her. But what I'm probably end up doing, if I do that, I will do a video and show you if I flat iron her. But yeah, I just may do that, just to do something different, because this is definitely not no summer hair. This is some hair you would wear in the dead of winter. So that's easy. Ain't have to do too much to her. Just cut the lace, spray some spray in, run my fingers through the hair. Voila! Here we go. Here we go. What? There she go. I'm not laying down these baby hairs if someone's waiting. This hair gonna go back in the bag until I'm ready to do whatever with her. So that's all I can say about her. I haven't experienced any tangling, no shedding as of yet. As of yet, I haven't. But she's a looker. So I'm gonna take me some pics and throw this baby off. And we're gonna call it the night. So I have reviewed 6 units today. So hey, I was making up for lost time because I haven't reviewed. I don't think I've reviewed any this month. I don't think. No, I haven't. I don't think so. I think I probably reviewed some probably like 3 weeks ago, like the end of June or something like that. But I know I haven't reviewed none this month. So yeah, I'm living life over here. So thank y'all for y'all continued support. I appreciate you. Love you much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. And hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you on my next upload. Thank you. Love you much. Bye-bye. Stay safe.